This quick tutorial will teach you how to make an easy petaled flower using scraps of fabric and a cute little button. You just need to cut your fabric scraps into little squares that you will use to make the petals. You'll start with 5 or 6 little 2-inch squares, just depending on how many petals you want to use. Fold your first square into a triangle and add a long basting stitch through the raw edges. Gather the base of this petal by pulling the thread. Do not cut the thread or tie it off. In the same manner, you want to add the second petal to the same thread. So fold the square into a triangle and use the same thread to string it on next to the first petal. Repeat for the rest of the petals. When finished, tie the two ends of the flower petals together so that you create a loop or a flower shape. Now you want to sew the button onto the center of the flower. From here, you can sew or glue the flower onto a hair clip, a headband, or use it in some kind of faux flower bouquet, or use it as a decoration on a hat or any other type of accessory. You have your finished button flowers.